This is question 7b. Write down the coordinates of the midpoint CD. So I'm looking for a line CD, and midpoint is the middle of that. So I'm going to find C and D. I've got C here, and I've got D here, and I'm going to combine them. So I'm going to get my ruler, and I am going to join these 2 points together. Okay, and then I'm going to turn this into a triangle. So I'm looking for the middle of this line. So to help me find it, I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, now I'm going to look at my x distance. I'm going to look at my x-axis to see what the units are. So you can see each box is 1 unit. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So this is 4. And if I look at my y distance, my y-axis, each square is 1 unit as well. So I've got from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. So to find the middle, I half them. So I'm going to do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And I'm going to do 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So now I'm going to count 3 squares across and 2 squares up or down. So let me do this first. 3 squares, 1, 2, 3 squares. This is the y-axis. I'm getting my y's and my x's mixed up, so be careful. So this is the across 4 divided by 2, so I'm going to do 2 squares here. So that's my 2, tick it off. And this, the y is 3 squares, so I'm going to jump 3 squares down. 1, 2, 3. You can see it's this point here. Okay, this point, again, it's my x and my y. So I'm going to the left, -1, -2, -3. And then I'm going up, that's 1 unit. So my final answer is -3, 1. So I'm going to write this out here, -3, 1. So if I break this down, the first thing I do, step 1, is to draw a line. Step 1, draw line. Step 2 is to turn this into a triangle, make triangle. Then step 3 is to count the squares across. Step 3, count squares. Step 4 is I then half the squares. And then step 5 is I add them on to the final coordinate. Add from the left coordinate, so this is the left one. Add, subtract to the left coordinate. I can't use the right coordinate because I'm going to be going right, so just for the right coordinate I'm going to go to the left and its opposites. If you did your triangle the other way round, it wouldn't matter, you'd end up at the same point. So either way is fine.